What is a café brève? The exciting love for coffee has led the world to experiment with its flavor to produce many drinks. Those who are new to the coffee world may even find these intimidating to order. In this guide, I will help you get acquainted with one of these popular beverages. So, the next time you go out for coffee, you will be more confident with your choice. Today we will dig deep into what a café brève is and unearth the reason behind its frothy popularity. A café brève is prepared using half and half milk that is steamed before being mixed with espresso. To know more about this light drink that is largely and unfairly ignored, continue listening. Let's get to making a frothy and steaming café brève. Let's see how the café brève came into being. Café brève or brève coffee is the Americanized version of the classic Italian café latte that is fluffier and a perfect treat for coffee lovers. It is hard to find or point out the origins of this drink, as people have been drinking it for quite a while. Most of these people likely drank this without knowing that they had invented a creamy and delicious drink that would become popular. The rich café brève has more fat, so it can be consumed without adding sugar. Yet, those who love jazzing up things can add flavored syrup or sweeteners to the drink. It is a high-fat drink preferred by some as a dessert beverage, while others consider it as their morning essential. Getting into the details of the café brève. This goodness in a cup is a concoction of espresso, steamed half and half, and foam. The proportions may vary in different places or according to taste, but the exquisite taste of the drink remains constant. You might get more half and half, or make things more exciting by creating a caramel mocha café brève. In the coffee world, a café brève is an espresso-based hot coffee drink that substitutes milk with half and half, whole milk and cream. For the diet-conscious, you now know which coffee not to order on your coffee dates. Any espresso-based drink that has brève in its name has half and half instead of milk. This gives the drink a fluffier and creamier consistency. Since this drink is sugarless by default, coffee shops and chains bring their special variations. One of the ways they do this is by adding flavored syrups to make it sweet. How are the café latte and café brève different? Although both the café brève and latte are espresso-based drinks, there is a significant difference between the two. The latte is made by adding foam of the milk and steamed milk to espresso, while the café brève is made by adding cream and half to espresso. Not only is there a slight difference in ingredients, but a café brève also tastes creamier and is heavier than a latte. To prepare a café brève, you add half and half milk to a cup or mug of espresso to get the rich and creamy taste. The high fat content is due to the cream that serves as the core of the drink. You can use any kind of milk to make the coffee, which will affect the taste. But if you don't use half and half milk, it isn't considered a café brève. The latte. Latte is made by mixing milk foam and steamed milk with espresso. The espresso is made using an espresso machine, a stovetop espresso maker, or a pod machine. Choosing between a café brève and a latte. It is hard to choose between a café brève and a latte, although the cream content makes the café brève taste more delicious. Especially if it is heavy cream, the café brève has a higher calorie count. So, drinking a café brève every morning won't be a healthier option for you. You might still go for it as long as you are keeping a count of your calorie intake. Let's prepare a café brève together. Now that you know all about café brève, let's walk through the steps together so that you can whip one for yourself anytime you want. The essential ingredients include espresso machine with a steamer, cold half and half cream, a coffee grinder, steaming wand or a milk frother, brewing the espresso. To brew espresso, you will have to force finely grounded coffee beans through a small amount of water. Compared with other coffee, espresso is thicker and has a higher concentration of suspended and dissolved solids with a crema on top. It is because of this pressurized brewing process that the espresso keeps its flavors. This makes for a more flavorful espresso beverage every time. Espresso comprises more caffeine content relative to other coffee beverages per ounce. Yet, with the small proportions of espresso used in café brèves, the caffeine content is reduced. Espresso also serves as a base for several other drinks such as cappuccinos, cafe mochas, cafe lattes, flat whites, and cafe americanos. Cafe Breve is a recent variety of espresso-based drinks. Some other espresso-based drinks are as follows. Cafe Mocha uses espresso, steamed milk, and chocolate with a whipped cream topping. A cappuccino mixes espresso, steamed milk, and a considerable amount of milk foam. In a cafe americano, equal proportions of espresso and hot water are added together. This gives a similar taste to a standard brewed coffee. A cafe romano uses a shot of espresso with a twist of lemon. In a macchiato, you combine a shot of espresso with a small quantity of milk foam on top. Once you have made your espresso shots, we can now move to the later stages. You can use espresso shots according to your preference. Preparing the Cafe Breve. You can prepare your Cafe Breve using any method you want. The following are 2 ways you can make your drink. Using a milk steamer. Use a milk steamer to steam half and half, cream and whole milk, to 145 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and make sure to froth the top portion of the milk to create foam. While you prepare the espresso using the above method, allow the foam to settle. Pour the espresso in your coffee mug, followed by the warm half and half. Layer it with the foam held by a spoon on the top. Using a microwave. Use a microwave-safe measuring cup or bowl for warming the half and half. Microwave it on high until the bubbles begin to appear at the edges. Use a whisking tool to whisk the half and half once you take it out of the microwave. You can scoop out the foam into another cup while continuing to whisk until you get froth that covers 1/3 of the cup. Pour espresso shots in a cup and add the steamed half and half. Once the two settle, you can slowly pour the foam on top. Top off the beverage with a topping of your choice to enhance the taste of the drink. You can use chocolate shavings or cocoa powder, as well as caramel syrups, among other things. Those who are conscious of their weight can keep an eye on their diet along by opting out of the toppings. Essential things to consider when making a Cafe Breve. There are many important things to consider to prepare a perfect cup of this delicious drink. I will cover the step-by-step here so that you will understand the procedure in detail along with their importance. Choosing the right bean for the right beginning. Choosing the right bean is a fundamental part of any coffee you wish to brew. Make sure you use the beans right after roasting or grinding for a more flavorful, creamy, and rich taste. If you let the coffee beans or grounds get old, you are risking a more dull cup of coffee. Espresso. Once you have selected the beans, you are going to brew the espresso. Various machines allow you to do this. Choose an espresso machine that suits your budget and fits your space. Steaming. For steaming, you have to make sure that your half and half is cold, as it won't froth well at room temperature or higher. Use a metal milk pitcher for the best results, and don't overfill the jug so that there is room for the foam. There are many ways for whisking the half and half. The primary way is by a steaming wand that comes both separate from and attached to espresso machines. The texture differs depending on different steaming wands. For the greatest results, you can use a proper steam wand. Conclusion. Many of us function with coffee, but why have just any boring coffee drink when you have uncountable options, each promising you of more extraordinary taste? Let's make coffee more than just a caffeine shot to boost our energy levels. We'll start by making sure we buy or make a Cafe Breve that has a lasting taste. It is hard to beat the smell, taste, and texture of an espresso drink, and with a Cafe Breve coffee, you will be getting all of this and more. Coffee does more good than just wiping off the sleep from your eyes. It is the perfect way to connect with others or relax after a tiring day. The perfect Cafe Breve surely won't let you down.